You're so cute. Oh, hey lovelies, I'm Angelle and I hope that you are having a great day today. I think I got food in my teeth. But today's a day in my life while doing school from home. So I'm walking Archie and then he just decided to pee on my leg because I stood like there's this bench, can you see it? It's like there. Yeah, so I put my phone down on there and I was fixing up my hair on my leg. I guess it looked like a stick to Archie, so he peed on it. And now my legs are like wet and gross. Ugh, and it's going down my sock and my shoe. Can't believe that he did that. But apart from that, our walk's been good. You're a naughty boy. So it's 8:41 currently. And I'm starting some schoolwork, but I'm starting with stuff that I like, which is dance. So what we had to do was choreograph like a real basic dance like the Macarena or something like that, but I wanted to make it like a little bit more fun and not so, even though it's like really short. But yeah, I've decided to do it to Just Dance by Lady Gaga because it's like got a good beat. And yeah, I'll show you it. And I need to find a good spot to put my phone because, yeah, maybe, is that alright? I'm gonna be here for most of the day. So it is currently 8:51. See, like once the sun moves over a bit, this will be much nicer. Let's just have a little chat about today. So today is Thursday, and so far this morning I've done my morning routine stuff. I walked out to have eaten breakfast. I've done my dance for the day, which literally took like 2 minutes because I kind of like choreographed the dance when I was trying to sleep last night. On my maths, I'm a little bit ahead because I thought I had to do it not at the end of last term because we're currently in week 1 of term 2, and so I'm just uploading my work so my teacher can see, but I think this is the last day that I'm ahead. Yeah, so today I have to do still science, history and Japanese. And at the moment, I'm getting really annoyed with my Japanese because it's so hard to learn it, like, without the teacher. And yeah, it's really struggling, but I keep putting it off to the end of the day. So I'm thinking I'll do history first because I really enjoy history. And then I reckon that'll take like an hour because my history teacher gives us a fair bit of work. So I'll finish that around like 10 o'clock, I think. And then I want to do some yoga because I haven't done my yoga for the day yet, and it'll be like my first little break. And then I'll probably do my science or Japanese, I don't know, depending on if the yoga makes me really in a mood for Japanese. And then after that I'll have some lunch and I'll have a bit of free time then, and I'll just probably end up watching Netflix for like an hour, and then I'll be like, oh damn, I still got work to do. I'm going to do my work, yay. I'll put it onto a time lapse for you guys so you can see me struggling probably. I don't get into trouble for this, but it's fact. I was just doing my history work from Tuesday. I just finished my thing so I can tick it off my whiteboard. I just finished my history. So today I still have science and Japanese, but it's break time now. My first little break. This one's shorter, but yeah, I'm going to go out here and go and grab a snack. This isn't very nutritious, but it's not unhealthy either. It's just like little chocolate caramelly slicing that I made. It's alright. It's yoga time. Let's see, is this gonna sit here? Cool. So I'm now up to day 22 of yoga with Adrian. Yeah. Also, I'm not amazing at yoga, so like, don't touch me, please. I played with Archie. I've been on TikTok and I've been on Instagram. I mean, what can I say? You can't really force, I don't know, I don't even have a stupid analogy for this. Let's just call them, I was about to say constipating. What's the word? Procrastinating. There we go. I'm procrastinating. Okay guys, I watched one video about atoms and chemistry, what chemistry is, I think. I like paid attention, but like kind of went in one ear and out the other. Yeah, that's all I can say. I'm a reader and a discusser, not a video watcher for learning. I'm not even sure which things I'm meant to be doing, but yeah. Now I'm on my lunch break and I'm eating a wrap. So it's been like, where did my voice just disappear to? It's been like 10 minutes since I last talked to you, and now I'm just watching some YouTube because I'm still on my break, and I'll probably do this for like 20-ish minutes, which then it'll be 1 o'clock. And then at 1 o'clock I'm going to do some stretching and continue watching TV. But like, it's still being productive because this is like full chill time, and then yeah, I'll just talk to you then. So I'm just watching Dance Moms. I'm having a little stretch. Say, but I've been doing Japanese for like 15 minutes. Yeah. So I'm like almost finished my work for the day, and this is one of the last things that I gotta do. And it is, I have to listen to a Japanese person talking, and I have to figure out what job that they're talking about. Fun. Oh, I'm kind of scared, but like, I just gotta give it a go. So yes, that is gonna be very fun. Sorry if today's vlog has been boring, but like, right now, life is pretty boring. There we go. After like 30 minutes, I'm finally done that listening practice test. And I'm gonna send that to my teacher. Yay. And I think I'm done my work for today. Like, there's always more that I can work on because like a lot of teachers give us it all in one day. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna be like, this is enough. So yes, I'm just happy to tick it off my list. So the only thing on my list left for today is to work out, which I'm gonna do later when I feel like it. Because, you know, I still got like 3 more hours until we're gonna eat dinner, which is when I have to, yeah, I've got ages to do it. It's chill time. So as I mentioned earlier, I don't have very many healthy snacks, so I'm gonna make some Jaffa Bliss balls now, and I'll show you the recipe.
Pacing back and forth, oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored, no, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done.
So I'll make 10 proper size ones and then 1 little one. So I'm gonna try this one. That is so good. It literally tastes like a Jaffa. I'm going to do my workout now, and as I've mentioned for like the past couple of weeks. Sorry for the weird place. I'm doing Sarah's days. Sweat it to shred it. So that's why I'm not filming it. But yes, that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so I just did my workout outside yesterday, and then I came inside because you can hear my dad's mowing. He wanted to mow and kick me off the grass. So I came in here and I just did a 5-minute ab finisher. So I'm going to show you it. It's like really easy, and I'm not saying this isn't an abs workout. It's just what you might want to add on to like a legs workout. Or if you're having more of a rest day, you might just want to do this because it's literally 5 minutes. So it's 5 exercises. I'm a little out of breath because if you push yourself, it's kind of hard. So it's 45 seconds on, 15 off. So yeah, you're gonna do 5 exercises of 45 seconds each. So I'll show you what they are. So, crap, now I have to remember what I did. Oh, number 1 is just your basic bicycle twist things. You just like need to put it down here so you can see. Just like this. Yeah, everyone knows them. Exercise number 1 is, well, you're gonna be able to see this. So you go onto your forearms and you're gonna do like 6 kicks down, and you're gonna focus on trying to go down for as long as you can. So you're gonna go like, start off up here, go down, and you want to stay for a bit and then go back up, but you want to squeeze your belly the whole time. Exercise number 3. How am I going to show you this? Look, I'm going to lift you up here so you can see a bit better. So these are like downward dog things. So you're going to go into downward dog, you're going to pick up a leg, I know you can't see, then you're going to bring it across and then to the same shoulder as what it's on, and then you're going to do that again, and then back into downward dog and swap legs. Boom, boom. Hopefully you can see that, but it's like you're going to go opposite, same, opposite, same, put the leg down, swap legs, and you're just going to do that as many times as you can in 45 seconds. Exercise number 4. This one's a bit more chill. It's not as burny. So you're just gonna roll back and you're gonna pop up into this position and hold this and just balance for about, I don't really count, but I kind of just do it for as long as I want. So I kind of just go boom, 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 and then do it again. And then final exercise is star crunches. So you just like this and crunch up, star crunch. Okay, I'm going to give you a view of my baby seat this way. Like that. So, there you go. Sorry, hopefully I made sense. But I just wanted to share that since I wasn't actually showing my proper workout. So yeah, oh, my legs are sore. So it's like 5:30 and I'm going to have a shower now. Yeah, I've just been watching YouTube. What a surprise. This is going to stay. I haven't updated for a bit, but I've just been chilling out and doing my night routine stuff. Dance Mom's time. It's now 9:15 and I'm going